Everyone laughed at Ali. They said, "You will never succeed." Ali said nothing. He worked every day. 1 year later, those same people came to him for help. But why? What happened to Ali? Ali lived in a small village. His family was very poor. They had a small house. They had a small farm. Ali worked there every day. But he had one big dream. He wanted a better life. Ali wanted to learn new skills. Some village boys laughed at him. "Why do you study so much? You are just a farmer. You will never become successful." Ali heard their words. He felt hurt. But he said nothing. That evening, Ali went home. His father saw his sad face. "What happened, son?" Ali told him everything. His father smiled. "Do not listen to them. Work hard. Your time will come." That night, Ali made a promise. "I will not give up. I will learn every day. I will improve my life." He did not want revenge. He wanted success. Before we continue, learn 3 words. The first word is success. Success means a good result. Example, Ali wanted success. The second word is improve. Improve means to become better. Example, Ali wanted to improve. The third word is dream. A dream is something you really want. Example, Ali had a big dream. Now, let's continue. Every morning, Ali woke up early. He helped his father on the farm. Then he studied. He watched free lessons. He practiced new skills. He made many mistakes. But he kept learning. Life was not easy. Sometimes Ali had no internet. Sometimes his phone had no battery. Sometimes he felt very tired. But he remembered his dream. He continued. One day at a time. After many months, Ali learned a new skill. He started working online. At first, he earned very little money. But Ali was happy. It was his first success. He showed the money to his father. His father smiled. The village people noticed Ali. They saw him working. They saw him learning. They saw his progress. The boys who laughed at him became quiet. But Ali did not laugh at them. He simply continued. Let's remember the 3 words. Success means a good result. Ali found his first success. Improve means become better. Ali improved every day. Dream means something you really want. Ali never forgot his dream. 1 year passed. Ali was now different. He had a good job. He earned good money. He helped his family. He also helped his village. But he still lived simply. He remembered where he came from. One day, Ali met the same boys. They looked at him. One boy said, "Ali, you became successful." Another boy said, "We were wrong about you." Ali smiled. He remembered the old days. One boy asked, "Were you angry with us?" Ali smiled. "Yes, I was hurt. But I learned something. Anger cannot build your future. Hard work can." The boys listened carefully. Ali looked at them. "I did not want revenge. I wanted to become better. My success became my answer." The boys looked down. They understood. Then Ali surprised them. He offered them help. "I can teach you," he said. "You can learn too." The boys were surprised. Ali did not want them to fail. He wanted them to grow. Slowly, things changed. More young people started learning. They learned new skills. They found new work. They helped their families. Ali's success became hope for others. Ali finally understood something. The best revenge is not anger. It is not fighting. It is not hurting people. The best revenge is success. Work hard. Improve yourself. Keep moving forward. Now think about Ali. Someone laughed at you. What would you do? Would you fight back? Or would you work harder? Would you choose anger? Or would you choose success? Write your answer in the comments. Now repeat these sentences. I will not give up. I will improve every day. I believe in my dream. My success is my answer. Say them slowly. Listen again. Then repeat. This is simple English listening practice. Ali was poor. People laughed at him. But he did not stop. He worked. He learned. He improved. And he succeeded. He did not take revenge with anger. He took revenge with success. So remember this. The best revenge is success. Keep learning. Keep working. And never give up on your dream.